Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. Challenges of automating web app tests. The challenges of automating web application tests include higher skill requirements. Although a key benefit of automated tests is their ability to operate without human intervention, a programmer usually has to conduct a test manually and teach it to the software first, not user-driven. While manual testing increases the possibility of human error, it also provides a valuable perspective that isn't present in automated tests. Balancing manual tests. Some companies could erroneously decide to automate every check, even those that would benefit most from a manual approach. It's paramount that the testing team understands how to use automation wisely as part of a larger overall strategy instead of the main driving force of quality assurance. Choosing the software. There are many third-party software options that can help firms build an effective test automation strategy, but choosing the right application may be a difficult process. It's possible for companies to switch between test automation programs depending on the particulars of their current project. Testing teams must closely inspect the web app's functionality and determine which test automation software has the necessary features to easily check the program. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.